In this video, we're going to show you the proper way of washing your car using the KBS spraying system. It is very simple and takes only 3 simple steps. The first one, spray your car evenly with your KBS spraying system, about 35 centimeters over the surface. For the second step, simply use a microfiber towel in order to pick up the resident and resting dust. Simply wipe smoothly in a straight line all the way down. Now we want to allow for the wax to settle in for about 10 to 15 seconds. As you can see, the wax now is dried. Now we're going to use our glass cleaning product in order to make these windows look even more crystal clear. Again, simply spray across the glass evenly. Now you want to use a different towel to simply wipe a little extra and then flip your towel, and in circular motion we want to clean it up and allow it to dry with the air naturally. For the third and last step, simply grab another microfiber towel, and what you want to do now is make sure that the wax has settled in, allowing for 10 to 15 seconds, and then you want to move in a circular motion. As you see, we're getting all the wax out, and now the shine is coming out. Now for the tires, you only need to simply spray around the tire and let it soak it.
People are so close, stories are untold. And it's too strange for me, just wanna be free.
So here you have it, guys. After what is only a few moments, we got this beautiful Porsche Carrera from 1992 looking brand sparking new. Only with few moments with these products, easy squeezy and brand new.